Good afternoon to all of you, class student of 6. Dear students, I follow all types of concerning rules which has been given by ICMR or Government of India. I always use mask, sanitizer and slippers whenever if I come, if I go to market or any place from my home. So I request you all guys, you must maintain social distancing and use mask whenever if it is necessary to go out. Now let's we have a look on protein. In previous class we had already studied about the fats. In this class we are going to study about the protein. Proteins are body building nutrients. It means if we use sufficient amount of protein in our day to day life, it will build our body and muscles. So that a protein molecule is formed of a number of smaller molecules called amino acids. During digestion, the proteins present in the food are converted into amino acids and are absorbed from the intestine. What are the different sources of protein? Pulses, दाल, cereals, अन्न या अनाज जो कहते खाने में हम लोग उपयोग करते हैं. तीसरा है ग्राउंड नट्स. ग्राउंड नट कहते हैं बेटा मूंगफली को. बीन्स आप देखे होंगे जो हमारे यहाँ जो ये छोटे छोटे तरह तरह के क्या कहते हैं वो बड़ा सा राजमा वगैरह भी आता है इसमें. सोयाबीन इज़ द रिचेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स फॉर वेजिटेरियंस. मिल्क, फिश, मीट, एग्स एंड चीज़ आर द मेन सोर्सेज ऑफ एनिमल प्रोटीन्स. Now, so that what are the proteins and what are different functions of proteins we will study here, and then after we will go to furthermore. Then what are the proteins? Proteins are the body building material. You can say proteins are the body building nutrients. It gives us energy and build our body. Protein molecule is made up by several smaller molecules of amino acids. Amino acids. During digestion, in the protein present in the food protein food converts into the amino acids. And are absorbed from the intestine. अब इसके सोर्सेज ऑफ क्या है, सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन? प्लांट सोर्सेज, pulses, cereals, soybean, beans, groundnut, etc. Animal, milk, cheese, butter, fish, egg, fish, etc. These are the different sources. Now, what are the functions of protein? Protein are the main structures of our body, like the muscles, skin, hair, and nails. Protein form the main structures our body, eyes, skin, muscles, hair, and nails. etc. सेकेंड में आ गया आपको, प्रोटीन ऑल्सो हैज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम, एंटीबॉडी. Enrich the antibody. This is the biggest, this is the important main function of a protein. ये विटामिन्स क्या है? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है विटामिन। वैसे बैलेंस डाइट के लिए तो सभी आवश्यक हैं, लेकिन विटामिन्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। विटामिन्स आर प्रोटेक्टिव न्यूट्रिएंट्स। मतलब यह सुरक्षा कवच का काम करता है। They do not provide energy to the body, but they play a vital role in many chemical reactions. They do not provide energy to the body, but play an important role in the chemical reactions of the body. They are essential for the growth and normal functioning of our body. Growth and normal functioning of the body. There are two classes of vitamins. विटामिन को दो समूह में बांटा गया। एक जो वाटर में सोल्यूबल हो और दूसरा वो जो फैट में सोल्यूबल। विटामिन्स सोल्यूबल इन वाटर। पानी में घुलनशील विटामिन कौन कौन से हैं? विटामिन बी एंड सी आर वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स। वाटर सोल्यूबल they are absorbed in the bloodstream and an excess amount is thrown out of the body. These vitamins are not stored in the body, they need to be supplied regularly through food. This vitamin is not stored in the body. It should be maintained through food regularly. Now, fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K. A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins, these are stored in the body fat and are used when it is necessary. Stored in the body and are used as per our requirement. And day after tomorrow we will study more details about the functioning of vitamins. Then after we will go deep. थैंक यू बेटा. चलिए आप लोग इसको नोट कर लीजिएगा पूरा. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.